Hello, my name's Jimmy Sime and I own this 1964 Cooper S. Been in the family since 1965, so it's an old friend, and I've seen some varied racing through the years, and I ran out of money racing it in 1970, and it was dry stored then for quite a few years until my son thought I should do something with it in 2014, and we started the rebuild then and completed by 2015, and have been racing it together since then. It's currently got a 1275 engine on twin SUs. It's an Appendix K car, so it's quite strict on regulations. They're lovely cars to drive, but you've got to really use them hard and drive them at 10/10 to get the best out of them. And that's been the history of the car all the way through. Even in period, it was quite a difficult car to handle and get results and be quick. But we're managing it and enjoying racing the Mini. It's always good to join other Mini members, and we enjoy the company and the camaraderie at the race meetings.